Golden hour. Come to me. Hey guys, it's Febs. Today I'm back with another new video. So today I am doing like things that I love to do during my pastimes. Speaking of time, we have a sponsor today in this video that relates to time. So before I start the video, let's check out what sponsorship we had today. Here we go. Yode sent me one of their one-of-a-kind, made of natural and exotic wood watches. It came in this glorious wooden box that also has a little drawer at the front, but I forgot to show you it in the video, but it does have one, so it's really intelligent to have that and it's so cute. And Yode focuses on creating timepieces that are modeled after a modern lifestyle. So I picked out this really cute purple watch from the Frankie series made of purple heart wood, a wood that is naturally purple in color, which is so cool. This was the watch that I fell in love at first sight. It's simple, super cute, girly and bright, totally me. I will have the link of their website down below if you want to check them out. They're also giving you guys a giveaway in which the winner of the giveaway will win $100 gift code plus free sizing and free shipping. You can also use Febzpassion to get $25 off, and this coupon code and this giveaway will last for 2 weeks. I will have the description of the giveaway down below, so make sure you join it if you want to get the chance to win $100 off your watch. So that is the sponsorship today. Thank you so much, Yode, for this beautiful watch. It was a good timing because I've been looking for pink watches and Yode gave me pink watch. So thank you so much, Yode, for sponsoring this. I will have the link of their website below, and make sure to join the giveaway. Also, before I start this video, make sure to subscribe and click that bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's move on to the video. Here we go. So the first thing that I absolutely love to do is playing with makeup. I just love makeup. I am so obsessed with makeup. I love playing with colors. I love trying out products. I do my makeup nearly every day. Nearly every day. Not every day, but nearly every day. I love the glow up. I love the transformation. Makeup just makes me feel more confident. I'm able to express myself with makeup. And yeah, I just love makeup. I love drinking coffee. Anything with caffeine. I get my energy from drinking caffeine, and I also love drinking seasonal drinks, especially from Starbucks or Costa. I just really enjoy drinking coffee. The third thing that I love to do is shopping. Literally shopping just makes me feel so happy, and most of the time I go shopping for makeup. As you know, I am obsessed with makeup, like I said earlier. I love buying makeup that I don't need. I love buying clothes as well. I love buying anything. It's so therapeutic to shop. I love spending money that I don't have really. I love food. Food is life. I just love eating so much. I love eating food. I am pretty adventurous when it comes to food. I really enjoy exploring new flavors. The fifth thing that I love to do is watching Netflixing. I watch basically anything. I watch Korean dramas, I watch movies. I particularly love watching horror movies. I would just watch the whole day if I can. And the last thing that I love to do is no other than sleeping. I love sleeping. It's my favorite activity in the whole wide world. Sometimes I wish I was Sleeping Beauty, you know, just love sleeping. And that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more videos from me, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell button. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.